learners, today we are going to learn about soil weathering and formation. What is soil weathering? In simple words, the breaking down of rocks and other materials on Earth's surface is called weathering. It is a slow, continuous process. It affects all substances exposed to the atmosphere. Rocks on Earth's surface are broken down by two types of weathering. First is mechanical and second is chemical. Now we will understand soil formation factors and processes. A soil is generated when active factors of climate and biosphere interact with passive parent material and modified by passive topography over neutral time. Parent material, climate, organisms, topography, and time are the factors of soil formation. In 1980, Bowl et al. Listed a number of important soil forming processes into four categories, that is, additions, losses, transfers, and transformations within a soil body. Further, these are classified as general processes and specific processes. Now we are going to learn about general process of soil formation. First step is alluviation, where you can see the movement of matter in horizon A, which is also known as E horizon. Second comes alluviation, where the movement happens in B horizon. Third is the removal of calcium carbonate from the soil, which is also known as decalcification. And the last step is lessivage. In this, downward migration and accumulation of clay happens, producing argillic or clay-enriched horizon. The last is the soil composition. In this, pieces of weathered rock and organic material or humus are the two main ingredients of soil, where organic material is material that was once living or was formed by activity of living organisms. On the other hand, rock particles form more than 80% of soil. You can also observe air and water present in the soil. Thank you.